Hello my lovelies, how are you all doing? So today we're going to be talking about eyeshadow palettes. So I'm going to share all the eyeshadow palettes that I've used in the last month. It may be a bit longer than that, I can't remember the exact date. That's irrelevant really anyway. So I'm going to go from the first palettes I used to current to what I've got on my eyeballs now. I've just shown you anyway, I've just done a video on that. Told you how I got that look. Right, I'm not going to go in least favourite to favourite. It's not a ranking style video because I'm doing the No Pan Left Behind style challenge. It's just me talking about the palettes themselves. So I did get this off a friend when it was released. It's the Colourpop Holidays palette. It's the Muppets. Really love this. I've used every single eyeshadow in all of these palettes because it's the No Pan Left Behind style challenge, and just look at it, it is absolutely stunning. It's a stunning palette. I don't know where I would rank these palettes anyway, even if I was ranking them. So that's that one. The second palette I used was the Oden's Eye Snow Dream palette, another stunning palette. If I can get it out and show you. You've probably all seen these, or if not seen them, probably got them in your own collection, but again, No Pan Left Behind style challenge, used every single eyeshadow in the palette. It's a stunning palette. These are all going to go back in my makeup collection. I'm not decluttering any, I don't think. Now I think before I even use those two I've just shown you, I used this first because it was part of a project pan I was doing last year and I've not shown it yet. I'm sure it was. It's the That's Expensive project pan, and I pulled out this eyeshadow palette by Pat McGrath Labs because I didn't know whether I want to keep it or not. For now I think I'm going to keep it. I did some really pretty amazing looks with it. It's very, some people would say boring to the eye, but it looks really nice on the eyelids. If you need to get out of the door really quickly, then this is a good one to have on hand. So there's that one. Then there's two palettes I always use around Christmas. This was one of them, Urban Decay Stone Vibes, and I actually made, well, I didn't make her, someone liked the looks that I did so much with this palette that they went out and got it from a seller site. It is just such a stunning palette. Again, used every single shade. No Pan Left Behind style. The eyeshadows are really strange consistency. They're like a putty eyeshadow. Really nice. Have had it a while, so I probably do need to get a little bit more used with it, but for now, back in the collection it goes. Right, so I think there's just 5 and then a few bonus palettes that we need to talk about. So this was the last one, the Urban Decay Moon Dust, and like with the Stone Vibes palette I've just shown you, this always comes out around Christmas time. So that's what it looks like. I am super excited because I've hit baby pan there, so it's an exciting time. I've really loved using it. I used this green today and also this like teal. It looks teal, but they blend really nice together. That's what it looks like. Very sparkly. With this eyeshadow palette, I've not had a bad eyeshadow day, but I have, obviously, you know, I've got mattes on from different palettes today, so I will talk about that when we get to bonus palettes. Okay, so one I didn't use is this Rosy Jingle, and the reason why is, although they brought it out at Christmas, I would say this is more spring summer. It's beautiful, right? But I just thought to myself, no, that's more spring summer. I'm not inclined to use it, so I think it's just going to go into my collection, and then maybe not this month, next month, maybe in April, May, I'll bring it out again and we'll use it. And then we've got another Oden's Eye palette here. So it's a Love Language. And I think I just use the purple mattes. Yeah, because I was looking through my purple eyeshadow palettes and I don't have that many because I didn't used to love purple eyeshadow on me. But I've been convinced otherwise. Everyone says, oh, purple looks so good on you. So I used this one, and I used all the purples in this palette, the purple mattes, should I say. So I used this one. I used pinks as well. So there's only 2. And I think I would have used Giggle as well to deepen it out a little bit. So that's the bonus palette. This is a really pretty palette if you like purples and pinks. Another bonus palette I was using more for neutrals, is the Natasha Denona I Need a Nude palette. Very, very pretty. Looks like that. Well, mine looks like that. We all know what the actual palette looks like. So that's that. Right, so when I was using some shades from here, especially like these ones, Granite and Lithium, I wanted a cool toned, well, as cool toned as I had in my collection, eyeshadow palette. So I chose the Colourpop That's Top. So again, another bonus palette, and I think I used every single matte in here to get that cool toned look. This is a stunner of a palette, very, very pretty. So another bonus palette there. Then I think we've just got one more. Yeah, so today I used the Colourpop in the Limelight just for the greens. So I used all the green mattes, so those two up there, this one down here, and then I used this dark brown in the outer corner there. You can probably just see how it's changing colour here. And then I mixed this dark brown and then this lighter brown for the lash line. I just really, really like this look. This is kind of a out there look for me as well. I wouldn't normally go this bright, but because obviously you've got some really bold shades in the Urban Decay Moondust palette, and I was doing the No Pan Left Behind style challenge, then I had to think of different ways of using my eyeshadows, think outside the box, so to speak. I'm sure there's another palette. Yes, there is as well. At the beginning of the month I was using this one that I got from Amazon. It's not the best, but it does have like lots of neutral mattes. It's by the company Mugleen, so it looks like that. You can get like basic mattes from it, and it's in 06. So yeah, it's on Amazon if you wanted to go and check it out or anything. I would just say probably if you've got likes of Natasha Denona, Colourpop, use those mattes in those palettes because they are better. But I did want to check this brand out when I saw it, and when I saw that it had so many mattes in it, I just thought, well, that would be a good palette to use to combine with all my other like shimmer eyeshadow palettes that don't have any mattes in them at all. Anyway, this concludes the video. I know it's long, guys, but I just wanted to share with you what eyeshadow palettes I've been using this month, and then I can bring in a new palette to use for the upcoming month. Thank you for being here. I really do appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.